Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood, go inside. Hood latch is way down here. By your left foot. Hood release for the safety is under here. Lift it up. Hood has two positions. There's one here. It also has a service position down here. Push the hood way open. So you don't bump your head into the hood. The under hood fuse panel is located right here. There's two tabs, push them in, lift up and out, flip it over. And this has a diagram of the fuse panel. It also has some spare fuses and a fuse pulling tool. Matches up with it this way. So for example, say the backup lights, it's a 10 amp fuse. If you need to replace it, reach in here with the tool, squeeze together, pull it right out. Replace your fuse, and use the same tool, push it right back into place. And then put the tool back. And it has the spare fuses there. Put the cover back on, go straight, push it straight down, it'll lock into place. Put the prop rod back in its spot. They're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.